Ada.
What?
Hello?
Hello?
Ga?
What? What?
What? And ga?
Hello, everyone!
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Good to see you guys. It's hot. And not just because we're about to have some hot battles, but because I am in a really hot place right now. But that's okay.
No. The air conditioning, Callie, the air conditioning.
I know. It doesn't reach this room.
Oh, no. It's okay because we got a lot of fans around here, right? Haha.
Every freaking time, Ina. Every freaking time, I swear. I can't. Sound effects. They make it so much
soundboards.
Oh man, I'm actually, it's kind of a love-hate relationship, but I think I'm really starting to like it.
Oh, you're finally accepting it, huh?
Yeah, I'm starting to come around.
All right. I mean, it took a little while, but we're there. We're getting there, chat. We're getting there.
Let me move on this really squeaky bed really quick. Hold on.
All right.
You guys are going to hear some creaks.
Squeak.
That's right.
Squeak.
That's okay.
Squeak.
It's all good because I get to... All right, Ina, you've used up your last soundboard privilege.
They're new Aussie. And then I came back after getting rid of Froggy Wawa.